Hi everyone, my name is John. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a charcoal sketch of an adorable puppy. So here's the reference image I'll be using for the sketch. So before we dive in, let me show you the materials I'll be using for the artwork. First we have the Camel 140 GSM Sketch Book, which is perfect for charcoal drawings, and of course the Camlin Charcoal Pencils, which are great for achieving those rich dark tones and fine details. Now let's get started with the sketch. I begin by slightly outlining the main features of the pug. Notice how I build up the details gradually, focusing on the eyes first to capture that cute expression. As I work on the fur, I use different techniques to create texture and depth, blending and shading. You need to smudge with your hand and bring out the highlights and the shadows. And here's the final result. I'm really happy with how it turned out to be. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more art tutorials and sketches. Thanks for watching and see you next time.